Hey guys, what's up? It's Darian, and before we get into a very exciting video, let's talk today about Dossier. Dossier is a very affordable perfume brand that I have worked with in the past. You can check them out also in my most recent YouTube video. They sell designer scents for only $29. All of their perfumes are the same price at $29. I was really excited when Dossier reached out and wanted to work with me again, so this time around I got Floriental Brown Sugar just because I really like the scent of brown sugar. I love brown sugar in general, and I thought it would smell really good, so we're gonna smell it for the first time right now. Here we go. It actually smells really good. What's in that? The top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. The middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and brown sugar. And the base notes are patchouli, amber, and vanilla. It smells like really designer, but also really sweet. I really like it. I think it's also important to note that Dossier is a cruelty-free and 100% vegan brand. They are really, really nice and super friendly to work with, and I'd love to work with them again in the future. And you guys can use code Darian10 at checkout to save money on some of these perfumes. Now let's get into my big announcement and into the video.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Darian, and this is my niece, Lily. And we're gonna be unboxing $100 worth of Maybelline makeup that I won for winning Maybelline Wattpad's Brave Together Write-a-thon. This contest was in honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, and I am so honored that my short story Lost and Found was chosen as the grand prize winner for this amazing cause.
Thank you, Wattpad and Lilly.
Here's the package, guys, and you're gonna get our first reactions to this makeup. They had it in this very nice Maybelline wrapping, but ooh. Alright, pull out the first thing. Let's see what it is. Ooh, their Sky High mascara.
Okay.
I've actually heard really good things about this. This is the first thing we got right here. Okay, this is gel cream blush for your cheeks. That sent me a waterproof and a regular Sky High in very black. So they sent me these two Color Strike Maybelline Cream to Powder eyeshadow pens. Very nice. We've got them in Flare Matte and Ace Matte. Very nice. I love them. Lifter Gloss plus hyaluronic acid. Look at that. Here we go. Oh, I'm like obsessed with this lip gloss.
Oh, we got two of the same thing again. Look at how good this color is.
That is really pretty. A lot of these eyeshadows. Oh, Spark. Oh, that one's so pretty. Another one of these.
And then I'll pull out the rest.
Another gloss. Oh, this one's more of like a clear. More of these color strikes. Another one. So this is all of the stuff that I got in my $100 worth of Maybelline makeup that I won for my writing contest on Wattpad. I am so excited. I cannot believe they sent me two Sky High mascaras. We've got, let me count. We've got 10 of these eyeshadow, like pens almost. There's like, some of them are a little, I'm gonna drop them. Some of them are a little different, but lots of colors. One cheek heat, we've got the waterproof and the regular mascara, like I already said. We've got these two lip glosses.
Bye guys.
We loved everything so much. I'm so grateful that they sent me all this. I can't even believe it. It feels like a dream. And you guys gotta keep your eyes out for my digital film Lost and Found, which will be coming out this summer on Wattpad in collaboration with Maybelline.
Bye guys.